Hi, this is Mandar from Copper, and I am going to talk to you about filing your income tax online, right? So, how many of you actually file your income tax returns online by yourself, or you take help of, let's say, some online websites such as ClearTax, right? Or you go to a tax consultant or your chartered accountant and take their help to file your income tax, right? So, just comment below and let me know whether you file your income taxes by yourself or you take someone's help to file your income tax returns, right? You can definitely do it by yourself. You can file your income tax returns online. There's an IT department's website, right? This is the website URLs: income tax india efiling.gov.in, right? uh, you have to register there, basically create an account like on any other website. You create an account here, you go ahead and create your account here, and there's a step by step process that you have to follow, right? So once you create an account, you register, you log in into the account, right? You select which income tax return form is applicable to you based on your income, right? So now there are different forms: ITR 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So based on, ITR 1 is, let's say, for people who have a salary, have some other sources of income, and they just have, let's say, one house, right? ITR 2 is for people who have more than 50 lakhs of salary, right? They have capital gains, which means they have invested in stocks and sold those stocks, right? They have more than one house, right? And then they also have some foreign income, right? Or foreign assets. So that's ITR 2. Similarly, there are, different ITR forms: ITR 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So there are multiple ITR forms. You need to choose which ITR is applicable to you. Then you can download that ITR form, right? And or you can just start filling it online, right? So I mean, basically, you click on that form, select the form, then you start entering all your sources of income, right? So if you have multiple sources of income, you start listing those multiple sources of income and the amount. You would usually get a form 16 from your employer, right? And that has all the details in terms of the amount you have earned in the past year, right? Now, you need to, apart from the income, you need to also list down the different financial instruments where you have invested, right? And these financial instruments are tax saving instruments, right? So let's say you have invested in an ELSS scheme, right? That is tax saving. Let's say you are paying interest on your home loan, again, that has a tax benefit, right? So there are different financial instruments and assets that provide you tax benefits to help you reduce your tax liability, right? So if you have invested in the past financial year, then you need to list that down, right? Then you can simply, your income tax is calculated. It tells you whether you are going to get a refund or whether you have to pay tax, right? And uh, you can verify this online, right? And then go ahead and pay your income tax or file your income tax, right? So income tax can be filed online on the government website. You can do it all by yourself, right? And you can submit it all by yourself, you can verify it all by yourself, you can give in your bank account. If you're entitled to a refund, that gets directly deposited to your bank account, right? So very easy. uh, if you need help, but if you still do need help, then please comment below saying that you need help in terms of filing your taxes, and we will try to help you out in the best way that we could, right? Have a good day.